In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up to add your password to the list. Now, to add any other one from those settings, use plus icon next to Search Passwords. Then input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then input all of those informations: username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!